fully done. Now time for this.
Just make sure he's not putting the broken one on again.
Yeah.
No doubt he's made a mistake like that twice.
I'm going over putting a broken one on with it.
Have you ever made that mistake?
No. Luckily enough, touch wood. Not yet. I did say yet.
Yeah. There's
The
always
first
time.
Yeah,
Wow, 30 minutes, man.
We have an inlay, so if you do get fingerprints on it, you can just
Wish.
peel it off. Okay. And what we'll do is we push this wire into the top there. Yep. And then we'll pull it through gently. Once that's through, and make sure it sets at the top. Set it down gently. And push all the way around to stick it.
Look at that. Brand new screen.
And what we do, just to double check and make sure it's fully set, is we give it a quick whisk of heat to heat the adhesive up that was used. And now I'll do it. I'll look down on both sides. Just make sure the tape stays. Now you see, if there was a piece of glass under here, or you'd missed a tiny little speckle, as soon as I pushed down on this, it would have straight cracked it.
Right, only just a little bit of glass.
Tiny bit of glass, even a grain of sugar size. If you push a glass onto it, it would straight break it.
Is that because it's so thin?
You can see, look, perfect fit all the way around. You can see that?
Yeah, that's
all
good.
The way. You also have your magic layer, which makes customers happy. Now it's time to put them back together.
That's just because people that own the phone like to peel it off themselves.
Yeah, makes them feel happy. It's a new
Why
phone.
is that?
It feels like it's new. Complete new phone.
And now to put it back
To
together.
put it back together. Which now all we do is reverse engineering. Not quite reverse engineering that way. It's a good word. Make sure this top bit clips in. And bottom, top, clipped in. I'll put this ribbon back on. And lift that up. Make sure that's one clipped in.
Have you had the chance to take apart a Xbox One and PlayStation 4 yet?
Touch wood, I haven't had a PlayStation 4 in yet.
Oh, okay.
Only a matter of time though. Because the amount of people that are selling them tells you all about them, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Xboxes just come down to PlayStation 4 prices now at this day.
And they're selling.
Yes, lots of.
You know, in Argos, they only had one last week.
Yeah.
There was only one left.
Digitizer clip. You can hear that clicking.
Yeah.
And make sure that it's in place. And don't forget to put the magic tape back over the metal clip to prevent it shorting it. Can't see that very well, but I'll just show you there. Just goes over that to stop the case shorting and any of those little chips in the bottom.
What, can it really shorten out?
Can,
if that's not on it?
Yep, it can.
Wow.
It really can. Now time for the battery. The battery just sits in nicely. Just drops in.
But it's supposed to.
Yes, well, it's supposed to. We have temperamental batteries. Right, it's all down. Time for the lid on. I'll drop the screws into the
Just say you haven't put the screws
main
in.
board.